Okay, it's project time. Project time. Project time. I'm going to be painting our rain barrel that's collecting our rainwater. It's in our little garden. He wants it yellow. I'm painting it white and I'm doing some designs to it. No. Are you ready? You gonna help me? You know when this hat is on and this t-shirt is on, it's time to paint. Here is my little garden spot. It will eventually grow a little bit more, but this is what we're starting with this year. And this is a rain barrel. See, it's an eyesore. I bought some ivy so that it can start kind of like growing into it, but I'm gonna paint it in white so that we can have it be less of an eyesore. That's what I'm working on today. This is how, it's not lazy, but just trying to make it easier and not move this because it has water. And we thought about it afterwards. But just cleaning it up, not trying to move it, and just kind of create a barrier for the spray paint. Okay, so you want to know a trick I learned? So when you're spray painting, instead of like just holding down the sprayer, that's not good. That's when you get drops. But if you do spurts, you don't get those little drippy drops. That's the first coat. Waiting on for the second coat. All right, second project of the day. I said I was only gonna do one, but I'm waiting for the paint to dry on one, so might as well just tackle this one as well. Got the spray paint, painting this. I actually found this, somebody was getting rid of it and they had it out in their lawn. I picked it up and that's gonna be our garden chair. That's gonna go in this area once our flowers grow and get all nice. So I'm gonna paint this in this green color that kind of matches some of our color schemes in our house, and then have a pretty garden area. I know I should have been wearing a mask. Bad idea, but does it count that we're out in the open air? Maybe not. Maybe I should go that one. So, here I am. There she is. It took 2 cans to give 1 coat, and I think we'll leave it like that. The cushion is not green, but this is what we have for now because it was free. Not bad. It's so hot out. This is not the right time to do this, but I just want to show what I'm actually doing. But I'm gonna jump in the pool in a second. This is basically the little vines I'm gonna do. So I'm just taking paint that we already had at home and just kind of like creating some vines and then adding little leaves. Doesn't have to be perfect, just free form. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and check out some of my other videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.